And that's the hardest part with histograms, is finding a range that's equal using the data you're given. So the best way to do it is to make a frequency table. A frequency table is simply a count of how much information you have. So we need to know the frequency, and we're going to do some tallies. I'm going to make this one just a little bit bigger so I have room to make my tally marks. And that's going to be your tally. And then we have to find out for our ranges, we'll do 0 to 1, 2 to 3, and I'm just going to go ahead and make my ranges right now so I know. Four to 5. And it looks like I don't have any numbers bigger than that, so I could go 6 to 7, but my data won't have that many. So you make a frequency table and you tally it up. So looking at our information, I'm going to zoom this out. So you can see where I'm doing. I'm taking this data right up here, and I'm going to tally it. Here's a 2. Here's a 0. I have a couple of 1s. Tally it up in the 1 column. Or the 1 row. Here's a 3, 0, and I just keep doing this for all my data. All right, and then you just count it up. There's 10 here, there's 6 here, there's 3 here. Great, frequency table is done. I did not have any for 6 to 7 siblings. So now we can make our bar chart, and you need to label your axes, both your X and your Y. The Y is done for you on this one, which makes it really nice, but if you had to do it yourself, you just break it evenly apart, little tick marks along the Y-axis, and number all the tick marks. Now I need to label my ranges. I'm going to say 0 to 1, 2 to 3, 4 to 5, and I don't need 6 to 7 because there was nothing on the table. So this is where I got my ranges from. And then you're going to draw the bars. And all I have to do is look at my counts, look at my frequencies. I see for 0 to 1, I have 10 numbers that go from 0 to 1. So I go up to 10. And the easiest thing to do is to make even divisions right now, so all the bars are the same width. Pretty close. This one goes up to 10 for 0 to 1. And then I have 2 to 3. 2 to 3, I have 6. So we're right here at 6. And we have 3 people who have 4 to 5 siblings. And that's what your bar chart looks like. That's all you do. So the biggest thing to remember is to make sure you set your ranges equal and count up how many numbers fall in that range. You can do this frequency table, and then you create your bar graph. So hopefully that will help you do your homework, and we'll bring that in tomorrow and check it. Have a good evening.